In today's video, I'm going to show you how to convert a Wix website into HTML step by step. This method is useful if you want an offline copy of your site, need the HTML for reference, or want to archive a Wix page as static files. If you're new here and you enjoy simple website and software tutorials like this, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more helpful guides. Alright, let's jump right into it. First, make sure your Wix website is already published. This is very important because you can only convert or save a live published site. Open your browser and go to the published Wix website that you want to convert into HTML. You can do this by pasting your Wix site URL directly into the address bar and letting the page fully load. Once the site is open, wait a few seconds to ensure all images, text, and elements are completely loaded. Now, the next step is where the actual conversion happens. On your keyboard and mouse, right-click anywhere on the page. A menu will appear. From this menu, look for the option that says Save As. Click on Save As, and a File Explorer window will open on your computer. At the bottom of this window, you'll see a Format or File Type option. Make sure you select Web Page Complete or HTML as the format, depending on your browser. This option saves the HTML file along with a folder that contains the CSS, images, and other assets used on the page. Next, choose a location on your computer where you want to save the files. You can create a new folder to keep everything organized. Once you're ready, click Save. Your browser will now download the HTML file and the associated resource folder. This may take a few seconds depending on how large your Wix site is. After the download is complete, navigate to the folder on your computer where you saved the files. You will see an HTML file and a separate folder containing images, scripts, and styles. Double-click the HTML file to open it in your browser. This allows you to view the saved version of your Wix website locally without needing an internet connection. Now, if you want to inspect or highlight the HTML content, right-click anywhere on the saved page and choose Inspect or View Page Source, depending on your browser. This will open the developer tools, where you can highlight elements and see the underlying HTML structure. This step is useful if your goal is learning, reviewing code, or extracting specific sections of the page. Keep in mind that Wix websites are built using dynamic scripts, so the saved HTML is mostly a static snapshot of the page. Some advanced features, animations, or backend functionality may not work outside of Wix. However, for basic viewing, reference, or simple static use, this method works perfectly. And that's it. You've successfully converted a Wix website into HTML by saving the published site directly from your browser. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy website and software tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.